Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I actually have a different kind of unboxing here. I got the spring camping lucky bag from Finding Unicorn. So let's get into it. So I've never bought one of these lucky bags before and I'm very interested to see how these look. It was actually really good value for the money and I'm very happy with the ones that I got. I got a Molinaa, I got some Rico, some Ami, Shin Wu, which I really wanted, and then I got one of those Rico meal trays, which I've seen quite a few of these. So I think I'm actually going to start with the meal tray just because it's having difficulty standing up back there. So let's go for it. So this one is quite big. Let's see if I can fit this in the screen even here. So there, Rico, and it's the one of the meal trays. And on the back here, we have the different options. Peach, pineapple, banana, apple, and then the secret, which I think you guys can guess is cherry, but I'll put it up on the screen for you guys to see anyway. Which one of these would I like? I think pineapple, banana, or apple are really cute. Any one of those three I'd be very happy with. So oh, maybe we're just gonna need the box cutters then, I think. That took quite a lot of battling off screen there for a few minutes. At least it's well sealed. I can say that much. Oh man. I kinda got the one I didn't really want. I got the peach. I mean, it's not bad, but I really wanted the banana or the apple. Or especially the pineapple, I guess, but it seems like a nice hearty type of tray, so, but man, I really wanted the pineapple or the banana or the apple, basically because I think my son would love them, because he has a thing for fruits, and he really loves pineapples, bananas, and apples at the moment. I mean, I think he'd still like this one anyway, so we can put his little snacks on this for him. Okay, I don't think there's anything else in the box. No, that's it. It's empty. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Let's see. I guess I'm going to start with the one that I'm least excited about from this batch. I'm not a big fan of Ami. I know lots of people like this series and this IP, but I don't know, I just don't think it's very cute. So this is from The Magician's Story. And here are all of the options. I'll put the two secrets up on the screen for you guys to see. I guess the Witch's Apprentice is the one that I would like the most. The one I would like the least, maybe the Medusa Girl. Or the Slime Monster. I don't know. I mean, they really have to kind of blow me away for me to want to get more from this series. But, well, let's just take a look. But that's kind of the risk about a lucky bag. You're gonna get things that you may not have wanted, but that you may end up liking. Alright, put that off to the side. I mean, I do like the color palette and this candle thing. I usually like candle things like you've seen in the past with my little pigs that I have my candle pigs. But I don't know, this looks weird to me. But anyway. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh. Which one is this one? Oh, the ghost. Okay. Is that everything? Yeah, that's everything from the bag. I don't know. It's okay, but it's definitely not one that I would want to collect again. I would have been okay with The Witch's Apprentice, but this is kind of underwhelming for me. But I know lots of other people out there do like this series a lot. The wings are sparkly. It's kind of pearlescent. It's nice. And this ghosty detail is kind of cute. But I don't know. I usually like simple figurines, but this one just isn't doing it for me for some reason. I don't know what it is. Let's take a look at the card. Oh, I think there's also a weight still in here. Let's take everything out. there's some kind of a QR code for finding unicorn. So here is the card for Ghost. Some kind of a scratch thing back here. Not sure what that would be for. Check that out later. And yeah, there was just a little finding unicorn weight in there. Okay. Not bad, but yeah, it didn't convince me. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, next I think I will do maybe the Shin Wu. I have been wanting some of these ghost bears for quite some time. Sorry about that, you might have heard an airplane flying overhead just now. As I was saying, I've been wanting some of these ghost bears for quite some time. I really want some from the diner set. How many airplanes are flying overhead today? What is going on? Anyway, but this is from the Ghost Bear House series. It's not really one that I was looking at to get, but I do like Shin Wu in general, so I don't know. I don't think I'd be mad at getting anything from here. Let's see. I'll put the secret up on the screen for you guys, whatever that might be. Looks like there's two. I would like the warm hug. Let's see. Web of Heart also looks cute. Ghost Hunter. And of course, Welcome Home. Which one would I not like? I don't really know. Actually, this light shade also looks kind of cute. Maybe the Be With Me is the one that I would like the least out of this group. Okay, but let's just take a look. I need my box cutter for this one. Okay. Here's a weight sitting on the top again. Oh, thank goodness. Oh, but this is taped to this thing again. Oh, what a pain. Okay. Let's just move the card off to the side so we don't get any spoilers. I do really like this package design. Hiring Ghost Hunter, join us. That's cute. And then also, please call Lost Cat. Special offer on an axe. Oh dear. This is very cute. The Daily News at the top here. This is really nice, this packaging design. I really, really appreciate that. That's cute. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yay! Oh my goodness. Hooray! Oh, I got the warm hug one. Oh, that's really good luck. I really like this. This is so cute. I love a good fireplace. And I love that there's the flame and a little ghost bear cuddling together. So cute. There's a little fireplace best friend. So cute. Oh, I really do like this. Oh, that's such good luck. Yay. Much happier with this one. Let's take a look at the card. Oh, I might need my box cutters. And so here is the card. For warm hug. Very cute. Oh, yay. Kind of do want more from the series now. That is super cute. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, I want to do Rico next. This is another one of those IPs that I have seen where I'm still on the fence about it. I do like simple characters that don't have a whole lot of detail, just as much as I like ones that do have a lot of detail. But like with Sanrio, there's a lot of detail but also very little detail, if you know what I mean. And I've seen some from this IP in different series, and I kind of like it, but I'm also still kind of on the fence. So let's see if I see one in person, whether or not that changes my mind. So let's see, which of these would I like? I will put the secrets up on the screen for you guys to see. Which ones do I want? I think the Cookie Ready is really cute. Photo Master. Baking is also cute. Oh, the Balloon Ready, I really want that one. These are all really kind of cute. At least are the ones that I can see here. There isn't one that I don't think I would dislike. Okay, well, let's just take a look. Oh, the card is attached again. No weight in this box. Oh, never mind. Okay, let's take off the cards. We don't get any spoilers. This is really cute packaging, I have to say. Again, I really like this pastel color palette. That's right up my alley. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, cute! She is really kind of cute. I'm surprised. I didn't think I would like this. Oh, that's so cute. Is there any accessories? Oh, yes, there is. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's a little baking bunny buddy. Oh, say that 3 times fast. Let's take a look. Oh, so itty bitty. Got a little cupcake there. Oh, I love cupcakes. It makes me want a cup. Okay, so here they are together. Rico and the little bunny buddy. Looks like they're frosting that little cupcake together. I actually kind of really do like this. I love the weight on this. This is really nice quality. I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't this. And I love how shiny it is. Oh, this one really grew on me really quickly. Oh dear. But this is why I like the lucky boxes, because you're going to pick up something that you never expect. So let's take a look at the card. It's the baking one. Baking Rico and Snow. I guess that's the bunny's name is Snow. That's very cute. I do love to bake. I haven't done it in a long time though. But yeah, any kind of like pastries and sweet treats, I'm all about it. So happy home party. I definitely have to remember this one for future. I still really want the balloon one, where she's on the balloon dog. That's really cute. Hooray! I'm glad that I went for this. I've discovered something new that I like. Okay, let's move on to our last one. Alright, last but certainly not least, this is one that I have been wanting from Finding Unicorn, is Molinaa. So I've seen this IP in quite a few series, and this one was the one that really kind of stood out to me. It's the Retro Girl series, and I really like this design. I wasn't too keen on other IPs or other series from Molinaa that I'd seen before, but this one really stood out to me. I like the clothes that she's wearing. I will put the 2 secrets up on the screen for you guys to see. But let's see. Which one do I like? The Forever Days I do like. This one's really cute. Behind the what? Behind the Peace, maybe? Oh, she could be like from the 70s, maybe? Something like that? 60s, 70s? Street Smarts is really cute. Oh, the Sweetie one I really want. Romantic is also really cute. These are all very cute. Okay, let's just see what we get. Why am I struggling so much today? Let's just do the box cutters all the way. Okay. there goes the weight. Okay. Box aside. Take this off so we don't get any spoilers again. Right? Okay. I do kind of like this packaging design too. It's very simplistic but also very retro. Good with the theme. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, she is really cute. Oh, something just fell out. Oh, I guess there's some accessories in here. I think it's just her stand though. Take a look. Yeah, because this is empty and this is lying here. So I guess this is her stand. Really cute. We'll take a closer look at that in a second. But look at her. Wow, she's really pretty. There's some kind of dust on... Oh! Oh! It's because the hat is flocked. Interesting. I'm gonna get that dirty with my dirty hands. From opening all the boxes, all the box lint's gonna get on there. She's really cute. I just have to give her maybe a wipe with a paintbrush, a little soft paintbrush to get all the flock off of her. But look at that, guys. That's really cute. I love how shiny she is. This outfit's very cute. Let's see what her name is. Oh, let me show you her base quickly, her little stand. Very cute. Millennium Charming. Interesting. So she's supposed to be a millennial? Very cute. I do like this one. That's really nice. I like the color palette. Oh, yay. Okay, let's see. Oh, is this... Oh, it's magnetic. Oh, cool. I was just about to say, I was so worried about this base getting lost here, this little stand, because if there's no way to attach her to it, but it's magnetic. Oh, that's nifty. Oh, that's great. Okay, let's take a look at everything we got. Okay, so here is the final haul. I'm fairly happy with this one, especially because I took a big risk just going for a lucky bag with things that, you know, I didn't really pick out for myself, that these were all chosen for me. So I think it's quite obvious the one that I was least happy with was probably the Ami. And well, kind of the peach tray too, but you know, at least that's useful, I can use that. My favorite, I would have to say, is the warm hug from Shin Wu, followed very closely by, I think, surprisingly, the Rico. The Molinaa is also really cute, and I do like that a lot. The only thing that I have to gripe about with that is that the flock comes off of her hat, the flocking, and I don't like that. Other than that, she's really cute though. But which one of these was your favorite? And I highly recommend you guys check out Finding Unicorns Lucky Bags. They have a lot in different price ranges with different kinds of things that you can get from there. I'm definitely going to get another one from them. Again, this was the Spring Camping Lucky Bag. I don't know how many of these they still have left, but it was really cute. I do like this collection, and I'm definitely going to look into getting more Lucky Bags in the future. But anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed this one as much as I did, and I hope to see you back here on my channel. Thanks so much, have a wonderful week, and I will see you later. Bye!